Eagle United Methodist Church, located at 305 East Main Street. The Eagle United Methodist Church was first served by John Hage, a lay preacher who arrived in Eagle in 1845. He purchased the farm, later known as the Clody Farm. In the first few years after his arrival, he preached in schools at Eagleville, Palestine, and Jericho. He purchased the empty, abandoned schoolhouse at the foot of Diamond Hill for $80 and generously gave it to the young congregation to be used as its first permanent church. The current location of the Methodist Church dates back to 1870, when Thomas and Sarah Pittman deeded the property to the congregation. In those days, the sanctuary looked very much as it does now. The women of the Helping Hand made comfortable cushions for the straight-back pews. A new addition was built on the church in the mid-1950s on land donated by Roy Wombold. This included the fellowship hall, 3 Sunday school rooms, an office, and a remodeled kitchen.